Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, June 28th. Let's see what's going on with that NASDAQ market. As we go into Friday's session, let's look at Thursday. Well, we see a market that made new highs, and that's a step in the right direction. We did have some positive fundamentals. It also backed off a bit, so it doesn't show a complete level of confidence. What we are looking for today as we go into the weekend, and this is Asia right now, what we're looking for is we're looking for follow through to the upside, and I feel the same way about these currencies. I'm looking for the euro to get stronger. And I'm looking for interest rates to go sideways. And actually, if you look at this now, the notes, the 10-year notes, this market did trade above that bullish level. And you and I talked about interest rates before. The difference here between that bearish level and this bullish level is 182 ticks, and each one of those ticks is $31.25. So that would be $5,687.50 would be the magnitude of change between these two levels. And again, I'm not suggesting that you should get that return or that you should be doing this type of trade, but the concept is that you have a feel for what these magnitude of change looks like when you look at a chart. Let's move on though. I'm looking for a sideways market there. If we look at the metals markets, again, I was looking for a sideways market there as well, and that's basically what we had in gold, unchanged to lower. Looking for a sideways market as we go into the weekend, not a further drop to lower prices, but rather a sideways move. And I also feel we may stop and take a breath here when it comes to crude oil. Unchanged to higher would be the call as we go into Friday's session. And when it comes to the grains, well, I'm looking for soybeans to continue its journey, but it has some very tough levels to get through. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.